Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or Phemex. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make clear two things. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better. I will tell you which application fits you the best because both applications are great. Then the second thing is I made more than 1,500 crypto broker videos and I used both of them. So I will give you a quick summary with the things that I think that are important to make your decision on which application you want to use. So let's start right here with the main focus of both apps. The main focus on Kraken is more crypto investing and trading based, and on Phemex it's more on active leverage trading. Then if we look which application is the best for, Kraken is the best for long-term holders and Phemex is the best for futures traders. Then if we look to the trading tools, Kraken has a strong trading tool, but Phemex is a little bit more advanced. So when you're a beginner trader, I recommend you to choose Kraken, but when you're an advanced trader, use Phemex. Then if we look to the interface, Kraken is more professional based and Phemex is more on fast and trading focused, so just on the efficiency. And if we look to the fees and trading cost, Kraken has good fees, but Phemex has lower trading fees. So you can decide on that topic also what you want to pick. So in my opinion, if you want to buy and hold in crypto, choose Kraken. And if you want to trade more with futures and leverage trading, then choose Phemex. So hopefully after this video, you can make the decision for yourself. Hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.